Mark 4. We're just going to show here the yellow approaching Mark 4 on a reach, arrives at Mark 4 and goes on to a beat for the final beat to the finish. So what way can we set up traps at Mark 4? Here in the first one we'll see the yellow approaching the mark on a straight line like it did the last time, stopping at the zone. Blue doesn't have an inside overlap, so blue can be taken high. But blue would not do this. This would be a foolish mistake from blue, because the best thing that blue can do here is just go to leeward and sail around outside yellow and continue with very little change. If anything, blue getting closer to yellow. So now they're sailing along. Blue is closer to yellow than they were approaching the mark. So now yellow stops low of Mark 4. So now they stop. Blue has no inside overlap, is forced to go low, but the other yellow can now take the inside gap because there's a gap between blue and the mark. Yellow have made a gain, but yellow goes low. The other option is for yellow to go high. This is a difficult one to achieve because it's the timing of when you jibe to come back on starboard at the blue boat. Again, the other yellow slows down to get through. Blue breaks the overlap and then yellow gets through. So yellow and exit a 1-2. So the big thing with this jibing at the top mark is the timing. How high do you need to go? When do you need to jibe? Because it's very hard to slow down after you've jibed. Very hard. You're going to continue to sail. Even if you pull the main in, it's going to be very hard to slow down. Do you go on a little bit further? This is the decision you have to make so that you hit the line ahead at the right time. That you hit it at the right time to catch the blue. That the blue cannot get behind you and is forced to jibe.